A Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers save on your OEM wheels. Quality Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are exactly safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hubs. The vehicle's wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel studs of each wheel. All forces are transmitted to each Toyota 4Runner's hubs and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle's weight is not placed on any Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers installed. Installed Hub-Centric Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, Hub-Centric Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are designed with a Hub-Centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can only press against the mounting plate. These Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tight fit, providing the minimum change of wheel vibration. Quality Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are much stronger as well as for a longer service life. Selecting the best Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. BONOSS forged multi-stage Hub-Centric Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The Hub-Centric metal ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub branch, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers, and the safer your driving will be. Thus, BONOSS forged multi-stage Hub-Centric Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. The BONOSS Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These rules allow the internal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve safety. Also, the BONOSS forged active cooling Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.